Hello engineers. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more videos on civil engineering. Finding the bearing capacity of the soil is crucial in building construction as it determines the safe load that the soil can support without settlement or failure. There are several methods to determine the bearing capacity of soil, and the most common ones include Standard Penetration Test, SPT. SPT is a widely used in situ test to determine the soil's bearing capacity. It involves driving a split spoon sampler into the soil using a standard hammer and counting the number of blows required to penetrate the soil a certain depth. The end value obtained from the test is then correlated with bearing capacity using empirical relationships. Cone Penetration Test, CPT. CAPTAN is another in situ test that involves pushing a cone penetrometer into the soil and measuring the resistance during penetration. The data obtained is used to determine various soil parameters, including bearing capacity. Plate Load Test. In the plate load test, a steel plate is placed on the soil surface, and a known load is applied on top of the plate. The settlement of the plate under the applied load is measured, and the bearing capacity is calculated based on the settlement. Direct Shear Test. This laboratory test is used to determine the shear strength parameters of the soil, which are essential for calculating bearing capacity. Standard Proctor Compaction Test. This test is performed to determine the maximum dry density and optimum moisture content of the soil, which indirectly influences the bearing capacity. California Bearing Ratio, CBR, Test. The CBR test is used to evaluate the mechanical strength of the soil and its ability to support loads from pavements and roads. It can also provide valuable information for building construction. It's important to note that the appropriate method for determining bearing capacity depends on factors such as the type of soil, the depth of the foundation, and the specific requirements of the construction project. In some cases, a combination of tests may be necessary to obtain a comprehensive understanding of the soil's bearing capacity. It's recommended to consult with a geotechnical engineer or soil testing laboratory to conduct the appropriate tests and interpret the results accurately for your specific construction project. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.